Sure. Here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone covering the Vivo V30 2025, up to 800 words, structured into features, exterior, and conclusion, and with a casual, engaging tone. Welcome to FK iPhone, where we keep it real about the latest smartphones in the market, and today we're diving into the brand new Vivo V30 2025. Let's get right into what this device is packing, because Vivo is clearly trying to make a statement this year with the V30. Starting with the display, this thing brings an AMOLED panel that looks absolutely gorgeous. Super smooth with a high refresh rate, it delivers vibrant colors and sharp details whether you're scrolling through socials, watching videos, or gaming. The screen is edge-to-edge with minimal bezels, and it really gives that flagship feel even though it's technically a mid-range phone. Under the hood, the Vivo V30 is powered by a solid processor that keeps things fast and fluid. You can multitask, open a bunch of apps, switch between them, and the phone just handles it all without breaking a sweat. It's got enough power to run heavy games like Genshin Impact or PUBG at decent settings, so performance is definitely one of its strong points. Now let's talk cameras, and this is where Vivo is really flexing. The rear setup includes a main sensor that shoots crisp photos in daylight and holds up well in low light too, thanks to some serious software optimization. Vivo has clearly put effort into image processing because photos come out with natural colors and sharp details. The portrait mode does a great job separating the subject from the background, and the ultra-wide sensor is perfect for capturing landscapes or group shots. Even the selfie camera is surprisingly good, which is no surprise considering Vivo's reputation for front camera performance. Whether you're vlogging, taking selfies, or doing video calls, the front camera gives you clean, bright shots. Battery life on the V30 is also impressive. It easily lasts a full day on a single charge with normal usage, and even if you're pushing it hard, you still get through most of the day without stressing. Plus, the charging is super fast, so even when you're low on juice, a quick top-up gets you back in action within minutes. Now let's take a look at the design and exterior, because the Vivo V30 is definitely a looker. The back has a sleek matte finish that feels premium in hand and resists fingerprints, which is always a win. It comes in some fresh colors that stand out without being too flashy. The camera module is neatly integrated into the design and doesn't stick out too much, which keeps the back clean and smooth. The phone is slim and lightweight, making it comfortable to hold and use for long periods. Vivo also added a subtle curve to the edges, which adds to the overall grip and style. The button placement is solid, and the in-display fingerprint scanner is quick and reliable. Overall, this phone looks and feels way more expensive than it actually is, and that's something Vivo always does well. One thing to note is that there's no headphone jack, so you'll need to go wireless or use a dongle. It's becoming standard these days, but still worth mentioning. On the bright side, the audio quality through the speakers is clear and loud enough for media and calls. Storage is decent, and there's support for expandable memory if you need more space for all your photos, apps, and videos. On the software side, the V30 runs on the latest version of Vivo's custom UI based on Android, and it's a lot cleaner than before. You still get some pre-installed apps, but they're not too intrusive, and the whole experience feels smooth and responsive. Vivo has clearly worked on improving animations, transitions, and overall usability. Now to wrap it up, here's the bottom line. The Vivo V30 2025 is a strong mid-range contender that punches above its weight in terms of design, performance, and camera quality. It doesn't try to do anything crazy or gimmicky, but what it does really well. If you're someone who wants a stylish phone that delivers on the basics without burning a hole in your wallet, this phone deserves a serious look. So that's it for today's breakdown of the Vivo V30. Let me know what you think about this phone in the comments below. Would you pick this over a Samsung or Xiaomi in the same price range, or is Vivo still not quite there yet for you? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to FK iPhone and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our future uploads. Catch you in the next one. Want me to write a short version too for Instagram or YouTube Shorts? Let me know.